Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel Lemurian Celtic Tarot. I hope you guys are doing fine. This is that reading that I'm gonna do today is for the upcoming month. This is timeless reading, so keep in mind that the time from when you are watching this till the next month. So let's start the reading now. So the cards are Queen of Cups in the bottom, High Priestess, Four of Cups, the Chariot, Four of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor, Knight of Wands, the Fool, and Seven of Pentacles. Let's begin the reading. Queen of Cups in the bottom and the High Priestess. Overall energy of yours with the Queen of Cups in the bottom and the High Priestess. Overall energy of yours is that you are very much in your emotions right now. You are quite stable in your life emotionally as well, and you are very intuitive people. You guys are getting things done wisely, but most of the things you are keeping it to yourself, not telling anybody around you. And with the Four of Cups, in the next month you will feel unfulfilled somehow. You will want some magical blessings in your life. You will be looking like in your life like your deeply desires still not meeting up. Even universe is offering you the cup of love, offering new possibilities which you are not aware of. While now you are stable emotionally right now, but the time will come in the next month when you will feel lack of happiness. You will remain disconnected toward the world, and it looks like you might be sad sometimes. With a Chariot card, there will be positive change in a win for you. Your life speed up, and there is strong possibility that you will travel somewhere. Either it is a business trip or for leisure purpose only, but there is a indication of travel here, and there is also an indication of positive outcome regarding that travel in the next month. But you need to avoid spending time alone. You must spend time with your friends, family, or you need to spend time outdoors with yourselves. But you don't need to spend time in solitude in your own, like in your own space. Get out of your space, get out of your comfort zone, because remaining in solitude won't fulfill you at all. At the same time, it will drain you emotionally, where you might get upset from any previous hurdles in your life. Life is giving you a positive change. So take it and avail this opportunity to explore your talents, to be more productive in your life. You shouldn't be lazy relating to your job, career, life, the things you are doing, okay? Otherwise, it will affect your progress in life. And this is the time for your growth. So consume that time wisely and perform all your tasks efficiently in the next month. And for Gemini out there, Sun Moon Rising, congratulations, there is a good news for you that with the Ace of Pentacles, you might get a new job or any kind of promotion in your job, in your field. This will be quite lucky month for you, so remain positive and don't spend time alone by reminiscing on the old things that had happened. You need to stay open to new possibilities in your life, okay? You should definitely avail this opportunity. It will be really fortunate for you, and it is possible that you will want to invest money somewhere. And see, Ace of Pentacles is right below the Four of Cups here, which means you need to be more attentive in your life to avail this new golden opportunity that universe is offering you, but your focus isn't there. And if you remain pessimistic, you could lose this new opportunity. So stay aware and grab this new offer whenever it comes to you. And with the Emperor card, there is an obstacle there. It means you need to make plans first and strategy. You need to make effective strategy for this to avail this opportunity. And there is a possibility that there would be someone who might get in a way of yours, so try to avoid that person and don't get affected by and by other influences on you, because these kind of opportunities don't come always, and this is a very good job opportunity what I'm seeing here. It will completely change your perception about life. You'll start thinking more optimistically. You so stay strong and overcome all the obstacles which might appear in next month for you, right when you are about to take this opportunity. So don't distract your mind at all and keep focus on yourself. Fulfill all your goals and desires. Okay, and with the Knight of Wands here, you will get some kind of support from any person. He or she might be younger than you, it is possible, but this person is very creative and ambitious in his field. He might help you in your job or in life general. So take that help, move forward in life. With the Fool card, you need to have faith to jump in the new direction in your life. So keep that faith strong, which will lead you towards your success. There is no need to worry at all. Everything will gonna be fine. But with the Seven of Pentacles, you need patience. You need more patience and keep doing your hard work. It will definitely pay off at the end. So overall, Gemini, your next month will gonna be great if you'll follow these steps which I told you. There might be only two obstacles in your way. First is you yourself, when you will not maintain focus on your present, and the second one is any other person in your life which might be older than you, but he or she is very rigid in their life, in their rules. Okay, you will need to overcome these hurdles and take a leap of faith. Be more patient, keep doing hard work and this feels so good when you spend your energy onto the things which will be a cause of your success in life. So 147 might be important numbers for you in the upcoming month. And prominent signs I'm seeing here are Aries, Aquarius, Cancer and Pisces. All the air signs, water and earth signs also, but Cancer, Aries and earth signs are very significant in this reading. It might be important for you. Okay, so Gemini, this was your reading for the upcoming month. This is a timeless reading from the time you're watching this till the next 30 days. Okay, and keep in mind that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with every single person out there. Take it what resonates with you and leave the rest, because there might be information for any other person out there. I hope this reading was helpful for you. If it does, then like it, share and subscribe to my channel so that you'll get that new reading in time. And let me tell in the comments below what resonated with you. Take care of yourselves, count your blessings and have a good day ahead.